Hey everybody, Andrew with Suds to Success podcast. In this video, we're going to talk about a big one. That's going to be when you're detailing vehicles, are the batteries getting drained, you have to jump them, or they're dying all the time. Let's show you ways to prevent that. All right, biggest thing, when I was new to detailing, I had issues all the time, especially in the winter. So if you have cold seasons, this one really comes out. You try and start a car, it just dies, nothing works. You try a jumper box, doesn't work. You try all these different things. Let's show you ways to prevent that. The number one is just garbage batteries. Cars, they don't redo their batteries, they don't replace them, they're garbage. They literally work for one start. They have no juice left in them, especially in the winter. Main thing in every car, it's gonna be hard for you to see, shut off all the interior lights. I recommend you get a light bar. This is a Milwaukee underhood light. What this is good for is number one, it's brighter than if you had those lights are not great. This, you can really, light up your interior. It has two different modes on it. What's nice about this light too is the batteries just pull out. So if it dies, no big deal. Let's show you different solutions on how to prevent this. And if the battery does die, what do you do? All right, so there's two ways to think about this and kind of prevent it. So if you have a vehicle that you know for sure it's the lights won't go off or you're tinting it, we love a battery tender or a trickle charger. With this one, this is just off Amazon. Let me unravel this. You have different options here for how much volts or how much amps you want to do, how much amps you want to be charging the battery at. It's also a smart charger, which means if you put this on and disconnect it, it automatically shuts off. So it's not like this one, which is a jumper box, that you can touch the things together, it's going to start sparking and doing a whole bunch of stuff. This, you literally plug it in, it will charge only when it needs to. Once the battery's full, it stops, which is good. So if you want to keep it going while you're working, like if you're tinting a car and you have the lights on, it's a pain to keep turning the car on, off, it kills the battery. If you plug this in and leave it on, and all you do is just bring it over to the battery, with this, since it's a smart charger, you can put it on the positive and the negative of the battery, and then you're good to go. And then you just leave it on all day, plug it into the wall, you're good. Let's say you weren't expecting the battery to die. This isn't going to be enough to jumpstart your car quick enough. It's going to take you probably 30 minutes, an hour. If it's consistently on, it will keep the battery charged, but it's not enough to jump the car. Let's say you're doing interior detail. You didn't realize how crap the battery was or has some weird lights you can't shut off and now it's dead. That's going to be where a battery jumper box is going to come in. All you're going to do with this, plug it in. A few different settings here. So you're literally going to click start. It's going to tell you the percentages of the battery or the volts of the battery. You can then pick charge, boost charge, or engine start. Could you use this to trickle charge? Yeah, you could put it on just regular charge. It's not a smart charger though, so it's not going to automatically shut off. It's going to keep charging and charging and charging. It could really tire out a battery if you have it on for long enough. Versus this, you just leave it on and it does its thing and you're good to go. So always what I do is I always put this on engine start, and this one the car is dead. Literally the difference with this and that, this isn't smart. Like this is, I would say, archaic technology. You have to put the positive on the positive terminal of the battery, the negative on something that's grounded. So some metal piece on the car that goes right to the frame that's ideally not painted. And then you can literally just click start. It's going to run through, charge the battery up real quick. It's going to say ready. This is what this one does, but they're all different. There's also some battery options. So there's like some battery jumper boxes that you can plug in, and then you're all set and ready to go. All right, so if you really want to level up your interiors, not have to worry about batteries dying and you're at the last car of the day and the customer's coming and you can't start the car and it's stuck in your garage and it looks terrible, this is what you need. Either battery maintainer, battery jumper, or if you want to be real easy on top of everything, shut the interior lights off, get a little light bar like this, so Milwaukee, boom, set it up. You got lights, you're all set and ready to go. If you guys have any questions, post them in the comments below. We'll talk to you soon.